Telebus is back with all the latest updates of Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do. We saw how Dadi wishes to call Sham for Anjali's god barai, but Arnav refuses to invite him to the function. He tells Dadi that he wants to forget the tragic past and move on with his life. Karima overhears the conversation and decided to not meet Dadi. The watchman checks the worker's ID. Sham, however, enters Shanti1 disguised as one of the drummers in the music troupe. He litters the doormat in Anjali's room with broken glass pieces to purposely harm her. Nani, on the other hand, allows Arnav to participate in Khushie's Mehndi Rasam. Sham, who is very sly, secretly gives a god barai gift to Anjali to make her happy. Well guys, the show is getting more and more interesting by the day. While our sources close to the show have blurted out a lot of information to us. You will see that Sham's big evil plan is to hurt Anjali, which in turn will hurt the baby. By doing this, he can enter the Raisada house with respect and in order to take care of his child and wife. But hold on guys, as Sham's plan is soon going to backfire. Instead of Anjali getting hurt, Khushi will get hurt. Also, Karima's past revelation will happen on Arnav and Khushie's D-Day. To know all of Sham's planning and how Garima's plan is going to be revealed, like this video and leave your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Telebus for more updates.